You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hey there, it's Lucky Penny Shop, and today we're showing you this Hasbro Amaze-A-Matics. We have the Mark IV Ford. Now, it sells good. There's other ones like the Corvette that sell really well, especially if you can find them in the box like this, in the original packaging. This is a 5865. It says you program the car, which you do. There's two kinds of program inserts. There's the white ones and the black ones. The black ones are preset with famous racetracks, and then the other ones you can cut. They show you how to do all that. So basically, we'd say this box is in very good shape. A couple little issues, and like here, nothing major. Tells you the battery requirements. There is this rip in the front of the packaging. So other than that, the box is great on the outside. Now inside is excellent as well. You will see, well, these are out of place. These kind of slide in the slot here. It's a little worn on this one here. This one locks in great. You'll see that the decals on the car, there's the hood one, which we'll put off to the side. And then there's the side one, which is just a little bit. So we were thinking possibly scanning this and reversing it for the other side. So here's the cones. There's 4 of those. And then, like I said, there's the black ones that are different tracks. We have Daytona, we have Grand Prix, we have Le Mans, we have Hasbro Loop, we have Running Flare Out, and we have Riverside. And then these white ones, which are meant to be cut. So you would cut how you want the car to move. There's a lot of those. Now the car itself is in excellent condition. Ooh, I had already preset this up so you can see it. Let's just put it back in here. So basically, you can see that locks in, and there's a front pin up here that this sits in. Once you get it right, he just locks into the pin, and you're good to go. So the car is in excellent condition. Let's just show you some of the paperwork that came with it. We have, here's a great Amaze-A-Matics offer. So new programs. Very cool on that. And then we have the booklet. It says Amaze-A-Matics, and then it goes through, kind of shows you the information, what you need to know, how it works, the illustrations, what the Amaze-A-Matic can do, and then teaches you about the cards and what they do. And there's also operating hints and little instructions and symptoms that you can use to correct. For those of you that don't have this, here you go. The Hasbro Loop. Daytona. Now, does the car work? Yes. Is it sluggish? Yes. Does it sound okay? It sounds okay. So it shows you how to put the cards in the slot there. So let's just do that and see what we have. The batteries are in place. Let me pop it out of the chassis though. You just kind of lift this pin gently. See the 2 batteries in here. This one had some rust on this terminal. Let's see if we can show you that. See it? So it's 2A batteries. So there's the car itself. Lots of little gears that are controlling the movement here. Now let's take Riverside. Now you're going to insert it this way to the line. It says insert to this line. So we will do that. Start it right away. Then you're supposed to set the car down and let it kind of warm up, it says. And then it'll should run through its cycle based on the car. Now, there it goes. Is it doing what it's supposed to do? No. Can it be troubled? Nope, there it goes. So it's obviously doing a long straight right now. Maybe someday we'll take it out on the floor and let's do another card in there. Let's throw Running Flare Out. Insert to this line. See that? And they say set the car down, and it's going to run through its cycle. Come on. Come on. Oh, you don't want to act nice today, huh? Nicey nice. Be nice. Alright, well, we got some use out of it. So it's a little finicky, obviously. Might need some cleaning, some lubrication. Don't know. Put it back in its chassis on the body. Oh, there it goes. See? It's when I pick it up. So you'll see it fits in the slots in the back. And there's these little pins there. Oh, now you want to operate. Okay. So this top sticker just came off. And I barely handled it, so they're a little dry. Oh, there it goes. So it wants to do something. Maybe it just needs a little work. So instead of us potentially doing any damage to it, someone needs to lubricate it. There you go. So again, this top flare piece just came off on its own. So it just had a little bit, and I just took it off the rest of the way. So they're very dry. So they do need to be reapplied. Isn't that awesome? If you've never seen one, there you go. It's the Amaze-A-Matics car. Thanks for watching our eBay product video. And always remember, if you see a lucky penny, pick it up.